In this vlog, I'm going to answer a question that was put to me. Should web developers learn Linux? Should they? It's a good skill to have at least some basic understanding of Linux, the Linux file system, and some basic commands so that you can log into the server and do some basic stuff, very basic stuff. I think that need for that level of skill will become more marginalized over time. What does that mean? I think that right now we're in a situation because of DevOps, developer operations. You need some decent skills with a repo like GitHub. So you need a lot of these systems are based on Linux. And so you have to know your basic Linux commands so you can interact with the file systems, understand the structure of these things. It will help very much so, especially if you plan on working for another company. There's like a 99% chance that they're going to be leveraging some sort of repo and like a GitHub, and probably GitHub. And so you need to know at least your basics. You don't have to become a server administrator, but you should know your basics. But I think, though, the trend is going to be going away from that because you see there's new type of server technology, the cloud-based stuff that's coming out. It's going to be more hands-off for developers. I'm of the belief that developers should develop, administrators should administrate the servers. I think that there'll be more and more sophisticated systems are going to be put into place that will make needing to know Linux beyond the superficial unimportant, and eventually totally unimportant. I'm actually on one of those systems. I have a traditional, if we're going to call it traditional, I have a traditional cloud-based hosting with DigitalOcean, which is cool, and they're getting more sophisticated, where you have to know your DevOps well, and you have to know how to work with a Linux server to be able to use it. And that, to me, is kind of old school. It's antiquated. But whatever, that's what a lot of people have to do these days. But then for my other VPS, it's on the cloud. It's kind of a hybrid in the sense that it's cloud-based, and I have a control panel. I have Web Host Manager, cPanel product, and I'm able to do just about everything. But it's a managed VPS, so I don't have to know any Linux. And I don't have to patch their server, and I don't have to do a whole bunch of things. They take care of it. It's managed by them. I have something that comes up. I send a support request. If I can't handle it through the control panel, which is this point-and-click web UI, then I just send a support request, and they take care of it, and everything's cool. So that's the way it's got to go. I think this whole thing about having to configure servers and customize it, it's ridiculous, especially for the vast majority of projects that you're going to do, 99.9%. Yes, if you're working for Facebook and you got or some huge project like that, where you have to have custom installations of your server software and your database structure and everything. Yeah, of course, then you're going to have some pretty sophisticated developers there, so that they can design that. But for the vast majority of apps that people are gonna build, 99.9999999%, your standard basic cloud hosting is more than enough, and you don't need to do any crazy stupid customization. So there's really shouldn't be a need for great Linux skills. That's my basic thinking on that. So I'm sitting in my car, I'm just watching his father. He's on a bike, and he's got his kid on a bike, and his kid's like 5 years old, and he jaywalks or J-bikes on a busy intersection, stops the traffic, has to pull him off the bike. Do you have to know Linux? Yeah, you should learn basic stuff, learn basic commands. But my general thinking, though, that is going to fade and go away for most projects because there's just no need. There's just no need. For instance, with Studio Web 4, we're currently in Studio Web 3. With Studio Web 4, which is a rewrite from scratch, far more sophisticated app in many respects than Studio Web 3, we're going to be moving from unmanaged cloud hosting, and we're going to be moving it to this turnkey managed solution where literally you don't need to know hardly anything about Linux, like practically nothing. That's cool. That's what I want. I don't want to have to mess around with server administrations. It's like recently when they had that bug appear for processors, I was a little ticked off that I had to manage my server. I had to do upgrades. I had to, with DigitalOcean. Whereas with my other VPS, Funio, I didn't have to do any of that. They take care of it all. Not my concern. That's the way it should be. My job is to build and maintain my SaaS, my software as a service. I shouldn't have to worry about server operations because I don't want to have to hire somebody or have to spend time on that or relearn it again. I used to do this kind of stuff, but after several years of not doing it, you forget all kinds of details. Anyhow, that's my take on it. If you're a noob, yes, learn basic server stuff, basic Linux commands, understand Linux file structure, understand basic commands so you can navigate things and start and stop the servers, upload files, delete files, rename files. If you do that, I think you'll be okay. All right, we'll talk soon.